Are you ready to turn your backyard into an adventure zone? If you're the guy who loves gadgets, thrills, and maybe a little bit of defying gravity, then stick around, because today we're not just looking at a toy. We're looking at a trifibian beast that conquers land, air, and water. What's up, everybody? You know that feeling when you're scrolling through endless tech looking for something that genuinely sparks that inner kid's excitement? Well, I found it. Forget your average drone or RC car. We're talking about the DEERC plane for water, land, and air. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just an airplane, it's an amphibious marvel that laughs in the face of runways and dives into pools with zero hesitation. Actually, you're watching me play with it in the pond in my backyard, and so far it's been ridiculously fun. In this review, we are going to put this 3-channel, 2.4 gigahertz remote control glider through its paces, which will include 2 batteries, which really mean you're going to get a ton of flight time, which is going to make it easy for me to establish that this thing lives up to the hype for all 3 fronts: land, air, sea, and water. So if you've seen enough awesome stunts and craziness here on the water, what do you say we go talk to me and see what my actual real-world experience was like? The most hot, sweaty, tired, overcooked summer in Florida doing work for you guys review ever. So I've been playing with this plane, which is so fun. There are a lot of these planes which are just kind of like, okay, fun, gadgety kind of things. This thing is the real deal. So fun. And honestly, the most fun you're going to have with this is on the water. You'll see it take off, land over and over again. Over the pond here, you'll see this is not where you would normally think the biggest pond best for playing. Like, there's not a lot of clearance from the trees around, and my personal recommendation to you is you don't really even need to fly. Just putter along, it takes off, you kind of glide over the water, land again, turn it around, do it again, over and over again. So fun. You also see I did fly it in a big old field, and it flew just fine, and that was fun. And I do like it can actually fly pretty darn slow, which is a ton of fun. Ooh, one more interruption. Battery life is ridiculously amazing. Don't worry about that either. It comes with 2 batteries. If you're not tired of playing with it by the end of your 2 batteries, you are more of an enthusiast than me. But in any case, so much fun. If you want one of these, there's a link probably right here on the screen or down in the description. If you use those links, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but I'm going to say thank you in advance if you could please do that. While we're thanking people, you're still here watching, please give us a thumbs up. It makes a big difference on the video, and subscribe for more cool content like this. I feel like I'm going to break this just talking to you. I'm that hot and tired. And the last thing I wanted to say was, let me know, have you had planes like this? Have you had success? Were they failures? You got any questions about this? Put them in the comments. We'll talk about it. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.